What's up, guys? It's GameBoy here, back with another video. So, guys, sadly, I wasn't able to finish, finish this level, and for some reason, my recording ended early. I have no clue why, but we're gonna try this again, and let's see if I can do it. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, that's enough dancing. Okay, that's enough. Oh, get away. Oh. Ah! Get away. Oh my goodness, how scary. There's two things going after me at the same time. Ah! Why am I so bad? Ah! I fell again. Why do I keep falling? What? Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh. Ah. I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you. Oh, that was some pro moves right there. Oh my goodness. Get away from me. Oh my goodness, get away from me. Get away. Get away. Get away. Oh my. Scaring the foot out of me. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh no! You stinky. Why were you even there? You're ugly. Get out of my face. You too. And you. Get out of my face. Get out. Out. Thank you. Let's go! Let's go, guys! Oh, let's go, guys. I did it. I did it. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's flippin' go. Okay. So, the next map I will be doing is, I think it's an ice map. Wait, no, it's not ice. Let me check. No, not that. Is it this? No, that. Why do I keep doing that? One sec, guys. Let me read this. I keep doing that. I don't know why. Wait, can't I just wait? Oh, wait. I am an idiot. I should do this. One sec, guys. Yep. Okay, I'll be right. Okay, now let me pick one. Think, yeah, this one, Rubber Forest. I hate this map so much. I really do hate it. I hate it a lot. You'll find out why I hate it soon. Yeah, that's why I hate it. Because I always get hit when I make the bullets bounce. It happens every time. It's really likely to happen. I don't know why. Oh my. Oh my. my. Oh, dude, get away from me. Oh my, dude, I didn't even see where that bullet came from. I think it was a bullet. Oh my goodness, get away. Oh my goodness, get away. Dude, hit that guy. Thank you. Oh wow. I didn't expect that to happen. Oh wow, I'm cranking 90s over here. Absolute. Cranking 90s. Oh no, I hate this. I hate that. I hate it so much. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my goodness. You just get away. Please. 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 That's why I hate it. I was cranking 90s and then I got destroyed. That's why I hate this map so much. Because of that one guy. That one guy. I hate that guy so much. These parts, pretty easy. But that one spiky red guy is so annoying. Okay, I'm restarting this. Let's try this again. Imagine if I beat 2 maps in one video. That'd be insane. But it's not gonna happen. Because the odds of that actually happening are like 0. Excuse me? What? Wait. Wait. Let's try. Should I try a different map? No, I'll stay with this map. Why not? I mean, it is the hardest map. So I might as well start with. I might as well do the hardest one. Well, I think it's the hardest. Some people play this game don't. Well, not many people play this game, I think. Oh. Really cranking 90s until I get to the red guy. The stinky red guy. How did I miss that? Oh my. Oh, that was a quick kill. Wait, is this actually good? Oh, guys, I think I'm actually gonna beat it. No way, guys. Wait, what? Guys, I think I'm actually. No! No, wait, guys. I think I'm actually about to beat it. I think I'm about to beat it. I'm literally about to beat it. I'm pretty sure I'm about to beat it. Oh wait, no, it's this. This one's pretty hard. But I could do it. Wait, I'm gonna beat this. I'm gonna beat this. No! Are you? And the recording just